Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve quadratic equation using factorization method. And we have here x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Now, the first step you need to take is for you to come to this constant, which is 12. Now, look for two possible factors of 12 such that when to multiply, it will give you plus 12, and when you add up these two same factors, it will give you minus 7. Now, you say, let these factors be minus 4 and minus 3. If you multiply minus 4 times minus 3, you get plus 12. Exactly. Then if you add up minus 4 plus minus 3, you have minus 7 exactly. Now, so you're going to replace this middle number, which is 7x, in terms of the sum of these two factors. That is, we are going to have here x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 equals 0. This will give you minus 7. Then now you're going to factorize by grouping. We have x squared minus 4x, then minus into 3x plus 12 equals 0. Now we are going to factor out each bracket. We have here in the first bracket, what is common? X is common. We factor out x. Then we have x into x minus 4 minus, in the second bracket, what is common? 3 is common. Then we factor out 3, and we have here 3 into x minus 4 equals 0. Now, since these two brackets are the same, we are going to pick out one of them and pick out the two external factors. Now, we have x minus 3 into x minus 4 equals 0. It is either this equals 0 or this equals 0. Therefore, we have that x minus 3 equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. Now, x equals 3 or x equals 4. And these are the two possible values of x that will satisfy this equation here.